Your body is getting damaged right now, even if you feel perfectly fine. Inside you, inflammation is spreading, cells are aging, and your organs are slowly losing efficiency. And most people don't realize this until it's too late. But here's the truth. Some foods don't just feed your body. They repair it, protect it, and rebuild it from the inside out. And once you start eating them, your body begins to change fast. Let's get into it, because this could completely transform your health. Kiwi. Small, simple, and often overlooked, but incredibly powerful. This tiny fruit is packed with vitamin C, even more than oranges, helping your body repair damaged cells, strengthen your immune system, and fight off inflammation at its root. But that's not all. Kiwi also contains powerful antioxidants and fiber that support digestion, helping your gut work more efficiently. And when your gut is healthy, your entire body starts to function better. It even helps improve sleep quality, which plays a huge role in how your body heals and recovers overnight. Adding kiwi to your daily routine isn't just about eating fruit. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to repair, restore, and protect itself from the inside out. And before we move to the next food, if you want a complete list of powerful no-sugar foods for faster fat loss and healing, grab my free ebook, link in the description and first comment. Then comes garlic, simple, strong, and used for centuries as natural medicine. You don't feel the damage right away, but over time, it weakens your system from within. That's where garlic steps in with powerful compounds like allicin, known for its ability to fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and protect your body at a deep level. But what makes garlic truly special is how it works from the inside out. It helps boost your immune system, supports heart health, improves blood circulation, and even helps your body detox naturally. It's like a daily shield, quietly protecting you against damage you can't even see. And the best part? You don't need much. Just adding garlic to your meals consistently can start making a real difference in how your body heals and defends itself. And before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more powerful health tips that can transform your life. Then come strawberries, sweet, refreshing, and far more powerful than they seem. That hidden damage? It's often caused by oxidative stress, and strawberries are loaded with antioxidants that help fight it at the source. They work deep inside your body to protect your cells, reduce inflammation, and slow down the aging process. But strawberries don't stop there. They also support heart health, improve blood flow, and strengthen your immune system, helping your body function better every single day. It's like giving your body a natural layer of protection, one bite at a time. And the best part? They're easy to add to your routine, whether in a smoothie, with yogurt, or just on their own. This isn't just a fruit. It's a simple, delicious way to help your body heal, protect, and stay strong from the inside out. Then come olives, small, simple, and incredibly powerful. That hidden inflammation is one of the biggest threats to your body, and olives are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that help fight it at the source. They work quietly to protect your heart, improve blood circulation, and reduce internal stress on your system. But what makes olives truly powerful is how they support your body every single day. They help balance cholesterol levels, protect your cells from damage, and provide long-lasting energy without spikes or crashes. It's like giving your body steady protection and support with every bite. And the best part? They're easy to include in your meals, whether in salads, alongside your dishes, or as a simple snack. This isn't just a side food. It's a daily habit that helps your body heal, protect, and stay strong from the inside out. Then come onions. Simple, common, but incredibly powerful. What most people don't realize is that onions are loaded with antioxidants and natural sulfur compounds that help your body detox at a deep level. They work behind the scenes to fight inflammation, support your immune system, and protect your cells from damage. But onions don't stop there. They also help improve digestion, support heart health, and even assist your body in regulating blood sugar levels. It's like a natural cleansing system, helping your body remove what it doesn't need and function at its best. And the best part? They're already part of so many meals, meaning you can turn everyday food into a powerful healing tool without changing your lifestyle completely. This isn't just a basic ingredient. It's a hidden powerhouse that helps your body cleanse, repair, and stay strong from the inside out. And turkey delivers exactly what you need. It's packed with high-quality protein that helps rebuild tissues, support muscle recovery, and keep your body strong from the inside. But turkey goes beyond just protein. It also contains essential nutrients like B vitamins and selenium that support your immune system, improve energy production, and help your body function more efficiently. It's like giving your body clean, powerful fuel that actually works. And the best part? It's easy to include in your meals, whether grilled, baked, or added to simple dishes. is. This isn't just another protein source, it's a powerful way to help your body rebuild, recover, and stay strong from the inside out. Then come sweet potatoes. Naturally sweet, deeply nourishing, and incredibly powerful for healing. That constant fatigue and imbalance often come from poor nutrition and unstable energy levels, and sweet potatoes help fix that from the inside. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. But what makes sweet potatoes truly powerful is how they support your body long-term. They help improve gut health, which plays a major role in your immune system, energy, and overall well-being. It's like giving your body steady, clean fuel that keeps everything running smoothly. And the best part? They're simple to prepare and incredibly satisfying, whether baked, mashed, or added to your meals. This isn't just a comfort food. It's a powerful way to help your body balance, heal, and stay energized from the inside out. Then come mushrooms, simple, natural, and one of the most underrated healing foods. That internal weakness often comes from your body lacking the right compounds to defend itself, and mushrooms provide exactly that. They are rich in powerful nutrients and unique compounds that help boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and support your body's natural defense system. But what makes mushrooms truly special is how they work behind the scenes. They help regulate your immune response, support gut health, and even contribute to better energy and overall balance. It's like giving your body quiet, consistent support every single day. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile, easy to add to your meals without changing your routine. This isn't just another vegetable. It's a natural way to help your body defend, repair, and stay strong from the inside out. Then comes lemon, simple, refreshing, and incredibly powerful for internal healing. That heavy, tired feeling often starts in your digestive system, and lemon helps reset it from the inside. It supports your body's natural detox process, improves digestion, and helps your system function more efficiently. But what makes lemon truly powerful is how it impacts your entire body. It helps balance your internal environment, supports hydration, and provides vitamin C to strengthen your immune system. It's like giving your body a fresh start every single day. And the best part? It's one of the easiest habits to build, whether in water in the morning or added to your meals. This isn't just a citrus fruit. It's a simple daily tool to help your body cleanse, refresh, and stay energized from the inside out. Then come tomatoes, simple, common, but incredibly powerful for protecting your body from within. That hidden damage is often caused by free radicals, and tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells and reduce inflammation at the source. They work deep inside your body to defend against long-term damage and support overall health. But tomatoes do more than just protect. They support heart health, improve blood circulation, and help your body function more efficiently every single day. It's like giving your body a natural shield that works silently in the background. And the best part? They're easy to include in almost any meal, fresh, cooked, or even as part of simple dishes you already enjoy. This isn't just a basic ingredient. It's a powerful way to help your body protect, repair, and stay strong from the inside out. Then comes parsley, fresh, simple, and one of the most underrated healing herbs. That internal buildup often puts stress on your kidneys and digestive system, and parsley helps your body clear it out naturally. It acts as a gentle detoxifier, supporting kidney function, reducing water retention, and helping your body eliminate what it doesn't need. But parsley doesn't stop there. It's also rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support your immune system and protect your cells from damage. It's like giving your body a natural cleansing boost while strengthening it at the same time. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to add to your meals, sprinkled on dishes, blended into drinks, or used fresh in your daily routine. This isn't just a garnish. It's a powerful way to help your body cleanse, balance, and stay strong from the inside out. Then come black beans, simple, filling, and incredibly powerful for internal healing. That instability often comes from poor gut health and unbalanced blood sugar, and black beans help fix both from the inside out. They are rich in fiber, which supports digestion, feeds healthy gut bacteria, and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. But what makes black beans truly powerful is how they provide steady, lasting energy. They help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. It's like giving your body clean, consistent fuel that actually supports healing instead of causing spikes and crashes. And the best part? They're affordable, easy to prepare, and can be added to so many meals without changing your routine. This isn't just a basic food. It's a powerful way to help your body balance, nourish, and stay strong from the inside out. Your body is either healing or slowly breaking down every single day. The difference comes down to what you choose to eat. Start adding these foods into your routine, and you'll begin to feel stronger, cleaner, and more energized from the inside out. And don't forget, grab your free ebook from the description and first comment to discover even more powerful foods that support healing and fat loss. Start today, because your health is built from the inside.